Hello everyone, my name is Bryson and today I just want to get some of my thoughts out of my head regarding a latest project idea that I've had. So this is called Tokenlay, and Tokenlay is going to be the next project I focus on for the foreseeable future. So I'd like to this time get my ideas out of my head before I actually go and build something and try to get it into the public, and any feedback on this idea is welcome. So I've put together some documentation page, even though the product or the SDK doesn't properly exist yet. I just wanted to help myself understand what I want Tokenlay to be. So without further ado, I think Tokenlay is going to be spend control layer for LLM calls. So essentially we're going to use a couple of technologies under the hood, including light LLM to handle LLM routing for us, and we're going to be enforcing specific spend control rules that are completely configurable for you and giving you structured responses. So the idea is you'll install our JavaScript package or Python package, and this will be completely OpenAI SDK compatible, and you'll still use your provider keys. So whether it's OpenAI, OpenRouter, we're not going to get in the way of your billing. We'll just pass on as a complete proxy and enforce usage rules before the call even gets made, right? So in a typical OpenAI response, you'd pass something like your model and then your AI call message, right? The idea is that using our API, instead of specifying a specific model, you'd pass specific metadata instead. So this could be on the creation of the client, or it could be on the specific call itself. And we can use this metadata to enforce smart rules. So let's say you have a specific tier free, and you want free to automatically go to a specific model that's potentially cheaper, then boom, that happens automatically for you. No changes in the code, right? And that way you can, from our UI, update whatever the free model is, or perhaps you have multiple free models that if usage exceeds a certain amount, it automatically downgrades to this model. Or if total spend exceeds $2, you completely cut usage, or you temporarily delay usage for X hours. So you can enforce through a configurable JSON, which would have our front-end UI as well to make that easy, and it will limit your usage on a per user basis, per tier basis, or whatever metadata you pass through, you can configure to use in these rules, right? So the whole philosophy is bring your own key, and that's going to allow us to get this set up, or for me to get this set up without any costs for myself, right? Besides potentially some AWS hosting. So I'm planning on building this as open source, and I just like any feedback on the idea, let me know.